Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today vocabulary is stay, arrive, return, and unite in English, and in Arabic is baqiya, wasola, ada, wahada. In the sentence of English is we stay at home on Friday. The train arrives at 8 o'clock. I return to school after the holiday. Islam unites all Muslim. And for the Arabic is nabaqo fi baiti yaumal jumu'ati yasilu kitaru fisami nati a'udu ilal madrasati ba'dal utlati yuwahadu islamu jami al muslimin. Okay, that's all for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.